A very common problem that I see when going into the gym in the morning is patient that are trying their best to avoid chest exercises. They are doing every exercise, leg exercises, men are doing tummy exercises, biceps, but when it comes to chest, I've seen that they run away. The reason that we know is, if we explore more, is something else. Hi, I am Dr. Anmol Chugh. I am head of plastic surgery at C.K. Birla Hospital. Today I am going to talk about a particular thing that even the fittest of the men face, that is gynecomastia. Now, what is gynecomastia? Gynecomastia means female-like chest. In males, sometimes due to excessive hormonal level changes, or sometimes there is no cause, they can develop male breast. That gives them a look like a female and is a major cause of embarrassment, and that decreases their self-confidence. Now, especially in males post teenage years, it has been seen that sometimes the gland that is there remains. Now, this can give a look of a female-like chest, and that does not go with any kind of diet and exercise. What happens in turn is that the patient undergoes into shell. It affects their self-confidence. If it is a young person and a school-going child, it can affect the studies. Patient can be bullied, or if in an adult, they can be suffering not only just professionally but physically also in their intimacy. Now, in later stages of the life also, sometimes we have seen that it can be related to certain disorders of the liver or a kidney, or any kind of drug intake. Now, steroids also are major culprit when it comes to fitness people. Sometimes when fitness enthusiasts want to boost their muscles, they are inadvertently guided by their guides and trainers at gyms, where sometimes they take supplements which have steroids also. Now, gynecomastia is a certain condition that does not go with diet and exercise, even if you do it completely, because the gland is there. It is important to differentiate whether it is true gynecomastia, that means with the gland, or it is pseudo, that means it is with chest fat. A simple test that you can do at home is the pinch test. You can pinch the tummy skin and also the skin around the nipple area. If you feel that there is hardness around the nipple area, then this is a telltale sign of gynecomastia. Do consult a plastic surgeon, because the treatment is there, which is a surgery. Now, in some cases, it is slightly softer also, which can go with any kind of diet and exercise also if you do it regularly. You can get a hormonal level also checked, but in most of the cases, it is not advisable, because the treatment remains the removal of the gland. Now, the question comes, I'm afraid of surgery. Well, this is one of the most common questions that comes up in the conversation that we have with all our patients. And yes, sometimes it is scary. But what if it is just like driving a car? You choose a good car with a 5-star rating. You choose a good driver who knows how to drive at a particular speed, and you use a best in the car technology that ensures your safety. This is similar to what we do. At C.K. Birla Hospital, we ensure 5-star safety plus 5-star results by using 5-star technology in a 5-star operation theatre. That ensures that your safety and results are paramount and are no way compromised. Our signature technique, that means no cut in the nipple area, ensures not only your safety is there, not only your results are there, but they are not known to anybody also. When you go back to a normal cycle, normal gym, there's no cut in the front, there's just a small cut in the sides, so nobody else will know. So this is how gynecomastia, which is a very treatable condition, can be taken care of. And post surgery also, you can easily go back to your gym within 3 to 4 weeks, and you can return to your normal life with the confidence that you did not have before, plus boosted confidence. That means happy man, happy wife, happy sister, happy mother, and happy family in general. So gynecomastia is one problem which can be easily resolved and give you the self-esteem and self-confidence back that you already had. Thank you so much for watching.